Hey guys, I'm back. The rest of my kit came in. This box set opened first, so we're opening it up together. I haven't sneak peeked anything, just opened it to make it easier. Let's see. I think this is probably my paperwork, which is my catalog. So if anybody wants a catalog, please comment and let me know, and I'll mail one out to you. The salad chop scissors. But they're actually, I cut meat with mine. I have a pair. I think I have two. And then the lid for my chopper, for my mix and chop. My spatula. Get a new one. I have kind of an old one. Here's one. And this one's one that actually, it just died this weekend. I used some turmeric on something I was cooking. But in the back of your spatulas, it'll tell you the year that you bought them or the year that they were manufactured. And I'm kind of blind, but I think if I saw this correctly, I bought them in 2009. That means I am going on 10 years with them. And these kind of get a daily use, if not by me, by my mom. What's over here? The Rock Crock every day. I lost my other one, the bigger one. I lost it somewhere around one of my relatives' homes. Let's see. This is the pizza and crust cutter. Oh, I should have gotten mine out. I've had mine for 10 years. It's still sharpened. And the little trick that I used for it is I actually use it to slice cake. If you roll right across the cake, the sheet cake, it cuts perfect squares. You don't have to fidget with a knife or anything like that. So a little tip for that. So what else? Let's see. The white large round stone. Oh, the other one broke, sadly. It was past its guarantee. Love it. The small mix and scraper. Measuring spoon set. I didn't have these, or I think I had them and I probably lost them. The salad chopper, the manual food processor, the non-stick grill pan, which is the one that I am the most excited about because it comes with the grooves. I'll show it to you guys at another time. The Rock Crock everyday pan, the catalogs and sticker for Ultimate Kick shipper box. I don't know what that is. So that was box one. Is box two. And let's see what comes in this one. The small rectangular baker. You guys know I love my stoneware. This is another part of that family. The glass mixing bowl set. I already have some of those, but you can never have too many. The quick stir pitcher. I know it is a new design that I haven't had. Let's see here. I've always kind of liked it. Hopefully it's still the same design because it comes with a mixer inside of it. So like when you make tea or Kool-Aid or any kind of punch, it has a pump. And it does. Yay! So it steers it. It quick steers it for you while it's in there. So see, it lifts and you just pump it and it pumps all the flavoring all over the pitcher. And what else? The classic batter bowl and the paperwork kit. So I have all my paperwork here for joining and being a consultant now. So excited. So as I mentioned before, I started off with the $250 kit, which is this one right here, which is about $1,000 worth of product. And then there is this one, which is $159. And then that's the starter kit, which is $109. I honestly, when I was going to sign back, I was going to sign back on with the $109 because that's what my budget allowed. But then when my son and my daughter's boyfriend decided to gift it to me, I went all out and I got the big one, which over $1,000 worth of product. And I also wanted to share with you guys what our specials are for this month. It's the double rewards. So if anybody's interested in hosting a virtual party, a catalog party, or a live show, hit me up. So it's double rewards, and then you get 60% off selected cookware. And then if you also just want to purchase something from me, with a $75 purchase, you get one of these items for free. Love the cutting boards. And if just by chance you want to join this crazy adventure with me in January, so excited. I'm excited for 2 things for January. If you sign up and you sell 1,215 commissionable sales, you get this for free. You know the trend going on right now about the Insta cookers? Pampered Chef has one of them. And if you sell $1,250 in your first 30 days, if you sign up in January, you get one of those for free. That's the goal. And then also the incentive trip, which we start calculating points in January. It's to my most favoriteest place in this world. It's to Disney World. I've never been. I've been to Disneyland. I'm an annual pass holder. It's on my bucket list. So it's for 4 people, and they closed one of the parks down. So if anybody wants to join this adventure with me, come on aboard. On to the next one.